question. Many human relationships are falling apart easily in today's modern age. How can we form and maintain positive relationships with others? Answer: lack of love and the existence of fear within is the main cause of why human relationships fail. In essence, fear is the main cause of people's tendency to judge others, not to trust others, and even to view others as potential threats. It is important to understand that a judgmental attitude will always interpret wrongly the words and the actions of others. As a consequence, this will inevitably lead to separation and disconnection from others. The reality is that you see the world through your own eyes. It is from this realm of subjective interpretation that your personal reality is shaped. Hence, whatever you say about others is more about you than anyone else. As Wayne Dyer noted wisely, when you judge another, you do not define them. You define yourself. Remember that ordinarily you judge others because you do the same to yourself. Considering this, most judgments of others stem from one of the following reasons. First, you won't tolerate the same behavior or characteristics in yourself because you would be embarrassed to act in the same way. Second, you might display the same behavior, but you are not aware of it. Therefore, you project it onto others and dislike it in others. Or you are envious and you find something wrong with those who have what you want and end up judging them. Judging others will always raise unpleasant feelings within you. And your judgmental reactions always have something to do with your own self-judgments and feelings of inadequacy, and not the other person. Hence, an honest look within will show you that the emotional reactions you have towards others may give you more knowledge about yourself than about them. As Pema Chodron wrote beautifully, if we learn to open our hearts, anyone, including the people who drive us crazy, can be our teachers. A person who is judging others or comparing with others is not able to develop close, trusting and positive relationships with others. Therefore, when you experience any uncomfortable feelings in your relationships with others, instead of judging them, ask yourself the following question: what would love do now? Then you will act out of love instead of reacting out of judgment or fear. Remember that what you do for others, you do it for yourself. This is because we are all one. We are all made from the same substance, and that is pure love. Therefore, love must be the basis of every human relationship. In your relationships, you need to learn to treat others as you want to be treated. And that is with unconditional love and utmost respect at all times. Importantly, treating others with love and respect does not mean allowing others to treat you with lack of love or respect. In these situations, you need to do what is the best choice for all. At the very least, to stop any kind of abusive treatment. This will be good for you and the other person as well, as they will become aware that their behaviors and actions are not acceptable. In such situations, you need to express your thoughts and feelings in a calm manner, but openly, clearly and completely. However, if the other person continues with the unacceptable behavior, you need to stand up for yourself and let him or her know that you won't tolerate that kind of behavior anymore. In this way, you will build up self-respect and show others that you take care of yourself and of your own well-being. As Robert Tew wrote, respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you, grows you, or makes you happy. If you develop a positive, loving and considerate attitude, as well as a proper understanding of the boundaries when dealing with others, you will become a kind of person whose presence can bring a sense of profound peace and joy to others. You will become an example of joyfulness that is inspiring, uplifting, and exhilarating, then you will be able to make a connection with another human being on a more fundamental level. A connection that is beyond human understanding. This kind of relationship will nourish the deepest yearnings of your soul, and that is the portal to experiencing true joy and love within. If you want to deepen your self-love, heal the pain of your past, and transform your life to a new experience of joy and love, you can get the motivational self-help book, Another Way of Living, a journey to infinite peace, immense joy, and true freedom. You can get this life-changing book as a paperback, ebook, or audiobook on Amazon now. The link is provided in the description below. For more inspiring content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Snezhana. I bless the divinity in you.